This video is on your service content. So not all of our trades have services. Some of them are features or spotlight or actually products. And this is the first section that sort of shows up on your website on the home page. So let's go into here. So this first one, like I said, is services. If you do want to change say you don't want to use services on your site, there are a few options you can do. So you can actually set this to Spotlight and change the type, and it'll prompt you to make sure that that's what you want to do. And it'll change sort of your whole section to, what makes you special, everything like that. You can actually rewrite this content and it'll come up with, some other items that sort of give you, it's sort of a description of, what makes you special or whatnot. But let's go back and set this to services because that's what this site trade actually uses. And you can see it's already changed that content there. So you can read through this and sort of ask it, rewrite me something different, and it will rewrite your code. And this is mainly to give you an idea of what you can put here. You can go in here and rewrite some of this stuff yourself. You can just make this, our services, and all that will change dynamically. All right, so your services as well, you can actually drag these around and rearrange the order. So it'll, give you, maybe you're not happy with the way it lies out, and the main thing that you're doing is shellfish. So that one should show up first. Also taking services offline, right when you sort of create this, if there's services you're not using right away, just turn them off until you've sort of set up and edited what you want. So let's go in here and let's create let's edit one of these services first. So the service itself, or the feature or spotlight, is essentially an image, a title, and a body of text, and an alt tag for the image itself. So anytime you go and change something in here, like fish boxes sale, and I type that in, as soon as I do that, you want to actually refresh this, and it'll actually rewrite your alt tag for this depending on your title and your all sorts of keyword phrases and stuff like you have in there. This one's pretty easy. Let's just create a new service really quick. You can have up to 12 services in here. So anytime you create something new, of course, it's going to be offline until you've sort of done all the work with it. Uploading an image, we'll just grab sort of any image off my desktop here. And let's see, we'll just go in. Now this, like a lot of other things, is a ratio setting because that image has to be the right size ratio for this. So we'll just grab this, upload that image, and there's your new image. Like I said, you can type in, change all your text, everything like that. And when you're done, just do a quick refresh and let it sort of generate an alt tag for this. So you can see it's taken service title and it's put that into here, service title. So if I say service title 2, when I rewrite this, it's actually gonna rewrite something about that trade. Or about that service, sorry. So that's pretty much it for services. Pretty simple. Next thing we're gonna jump on is the prices. Thanks guys, see ya.